So
Yeah,
coming to the CET question, जो पैटर्न
yeah,
चेंज हुआ उसका, how did you,
yeah.
which
So
slot were you in
उसका तो
firstly? वो कौन सा
I
slot
was
था?
in third slot, the second day का first slot I think. Yeah,
ठीक है.
second day first
So you
slot.
kind of
So
knew that it is going to be jumbled and all of that.
that's true. Yeah,
Right.
yeah. So I was like initially I did not know, and like I told you, I was I'm already in a college pursuing my
Right.
MBA. So I
Right.
had a really hectic week, and it was very stressful for me, quite disturbing. So I was almost prepared to not give CET. So I had decided ki, and I had not given any mocks for the last 2 months. I had not
Correct.
touched CET ka kuch bhi. So if
Correct.
you saw my last mock was on 7th July, and the exam was on, my college started 15th. So my exam was on like September
Yeah,
17th.
September.
So
Yes.
two
Yes. Yes.
months, 2 months I did not touch any book, prepare for anything. एक भी mock नहीं दिया, nothing, no time at all. So I was going through a lot at that time, and 16th ko the news came ki the pattern has changed and all. So I
हाँ.
got really frustrated, and I spoke to my parents ki nahi dena exam. What's the point? I was like staying up till 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the morning giving mocks.
Right.
So I felt कि what's the point of doing this कि इतना strategy क्यों बनाया अगर वो implement नहीं होने वाला.
Mm-hmm.
So I was freaking out. I spoke to a lot of people, and they were trying to encourage me कि नहीं, at least give the exam.
Right.
Uh, and I think नहीं, I just slept. Alarm लगाया था, बोला सुबह देखूंगा देना है
हाँ
exam या
हाँ.
नहीं. So I woke up. I said कि let's do it. देते हैं. And I went for the exam. And I think while I sat, we have a 1 hour break, right? 1 hour
Hmm.
before the exam, you have time. You
In the
just sit
hall.
there
Yeah.
doing
Yeah.
nothing for
Yeah.
1 hour.
Right.
So you have those blank sheets given to you. So I took
Correct.
the permission to start writing on it.
Okay.
So
हाँ.
instead, like now मेरा जो strategy planning है ना, it started 1 hour before the exam.
Wow.
And
हाँ.
तब ऐसा था कि आई एम हियर. अभी मेरा कॉलेज का लाइक माय द कॉलेज आई मीन उसका कुछ भी हो, वील सी आफ्टर द एग्जाम. अभी लाइक यू हैव टू फोकस ऑल योर एनर्जी ओवर हियर.
Right.
जस्ट फॉरगेट एवरीथिंग, यू डोंट हैव योर फोन, नथिंग टू बी डन. सीईटी ही है अभी फॉर द नेक्स्ट 3 years. So I started writing stuff ki firstly I was like ki I wrote, this is not changing just for you, सबका चेंज हुआ है. So that
Nice.
was just to convince
Yes.
myself कि everyone is, कोई पैनिक करने का जरूरत नहीं है, because everyone has their pattern changing. It's not just you कि सिर्फ
Correct.
अमन के लिए हो रहा है, बाकी लोगों के लिए सेम
Same.
sections
हाँ
रहेंगे.
हाँ.
तो वो तो है नहीं. तो
Right.
and that was the point कि where I realized कि if people are freaking out, if people are panicking, उधर आई एम कमिंग ऐसा, I'll emerge victorious because I'll take advantage of all that panic because I'll be calm.
Right.
So as I went into nirvana one hour before the exam, and I started writing कि क्या strategy करनी है. So this time what I changed it to was I wrote I'll give 150 minutes. Oh, sorry, 150 minutes का total. Yeah, I said
हाँ.
I'll give around 100 minutes. So I'll have
हम्म.
50 left, or 120 minutes. I don't remember exactly.
चलेगा
To
चलेगा.
150 questions.
Okay.
120 minute to 150 questions, and
Hmm.
those 150 questions will be which can be answered immediately. कि होता है ना कि देख के यू नो कि अच्छा
हाँ
ये
हाँ.
ऐसे ऐसे करना है कि.
Right.
एंड एक पैराग्राफ का क्वेश्चन है, स्किप
Skip.
स्किप, दैट
Right.
विल
Right.
कम
Right.
इन द 50 वाला थिंग. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग सेक्शन बाय सेक्शन जहाँ पे मैं सेक्शुअल टाइम लिमिट्स दे रहा था, आई डिसाइडेड कि टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन तो सेम रहेंगे.
हाँ
ऑल्दो
हाँ.
एक क्वेश्चन क्वांट का है, अगर वन लाइनर क्वांट का है उसके बाद वन लाइनर लॉजिकल का आ गया, तो दैट्स
Right.
लाइक अ बोनस है अपने लिए. तो
Correct.
सो
Correct.
we'll spend like 20 seconds each on those questions and
Correct.
move on.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I just went with that कि 150 questions and 120 minutes. तो
Hmm.
एंड वहां पे मैं लिख देता हूँ बिफोर एवरी मॉक ऑल्सो आई यूज टू राइट कि ये
Correct.
सेक्शन के लिए इतने मिनट्स.
हाँ
एंड
हाँ.
वो टाइम अगर आ गया, आई हैव रिटन 105, दैट मीन्स 45 मिनट्स हो गया 150 को.
Correct.
दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू मूव फ्रॉम क्वांट्स. तो
ठीक है
दैट
ठीक.
वो डिसिप्लिन चाहिए था कैसे भी. सो यहाँ पे भी आई फॉलोड दैट डिसिप्लिन कि एग्जाम को अभी 2 घंटा हो गया, 120 मिनट्स ऑफ पास. आई हैव अटेम्प्टेड 150 नहीं हुआ था, 140 अटेम्प्ट हो गया था.
ठीक है.
लाइक कि अभी नेक्स्ट के 10 जो दिख रहे इजी वाले गेस करके छोड़ दे. नाउ विल कम टू द कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्वेश्चंस.
Got it. Got it.
तो आई सेग्रीगेटेड द क्वेश्चंस बाय either the difficulty to read the question, कि बड़ा आ रहा है तो स्किप करो, आरसी आ रहा है
हम्म,
स्किप करो, दिमागी में मत लगाओ।
मेक
हाँ,
सेंस।
सेट्स आ रहे स्किप करो,
हाँ
वो
हाँ,
बाद में देखेंगे।
मेक
अभी जो
सेंस।
एक एक लाइन के आ रहे हैं, बीट एनी एनी सेक्शन, जस्ट अटेम्प्टेड। तो
राइट।
वैसे करके क्या, देन दैट वाज द इजीएस्ट, लाइक इजी, इजी प्लस इजी टू रीड, वो वाला
Got it,
कॉम्बिनेशन था। देन आई
got
केम
it.
टू द वंस व्हिच वर इजी एंड डिफिकल्ट टू रीड।
In the last
उसको
15
आई गिव,
minutes.
the last I had 30 minutes.
Oh,
So I
last
gave
30.
I gave
120 के
around,
बाद
yeah,
30 minutes, right.
I gave around 20 minutes to those questions. So there were
Right.
like 30 questions, उसमें I attempted around 15. And
हाँ हाँ
last
हाँ,
के 10 minutes were saved for questions जिसमें like which were difficult and difficult to read. तो
correct.
उसमें बहुत ही difficult set आ गया तो skip करो पूरा set. So it was just dividing those questions in these forms कि जितना refine कर सको, जितना quantify कर सको, that worked well for me. So all of this happened just 1 hour before the exam, where I strategized this कि ये this should work maybe. I spoke
Right.
to my uncle on the call. He's from JB.
Yeah,
He
yeah,
was
yeah.
from JB, so
Yeah,
I
yeah, yeah.
spoke to him. So
Top
he
ranker
also
that
said
too.
कि,
Top ranker and yeah.
yeah, yeah. So he's from 2003 batch, if I'm not wrong.
Right.
So he said कि go like this strategy might work for you. He told me in the car. तो वहां
Mm-hmm.
जाके I'm just writing it down, planning कि अच्छा ये ऐसे कर सकते हैं, वैसे कर सकते हैं। तो हाँ, काफी अच्छा था। प्लस आई सॉ देयर वर फ्यू क्वेश्चंस, बायोलॉजी का क्वेश्चन आ गया,
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
इंटीग्रेशन का क्वेश्चन आ
Right,
गया, देयर
right,
वाज
right.
सम मिक्स अप। सो I thought ki this is where I take advantage of this, because I will spend like 2 seconds on that question
Skip
where
it.
people will actually try to find the answer,
Right,
mark
right,
and
right.
skip, no
Yeah, yeah,
big
yeah,
deal.
yeah, yeah. That's what.
उसपे 10 मिनट दे के क्या फायदा है?
सही बात है,
तो
सही बात है.
सो जस्ट टू टू सेकेंड्स एटलीस्ट, एमपीएम तो बच रहा है अपना ओवरऑल। वहां पे तुमने डिनोमिनेटर ही मिनट से इतना बढ़ा दिया वो क्वेश्चन के लिए, तो इट डजंट मेक सेंस।
नहीं,
So I went
that's
on like that.
yeah.
Last day was that, quite stressful though.
No, no, I'm sure it was. And again, the two main takeaways from here is firstly the power of focus, because I think you and I used to do this. 30, I used to have 30 minutes before the exam. Any exam, just sit there, close your eyes, don't care about anything that's happening around you, and focus on the paper that's in front of you. Nothing else matters. It's just that paper after that. And secondly, I think the way you've been flexible about it, after having a rigid plan on how you're going to go about it, I feel like,
Yeah.
in fact, I feel the break helped you a lot. Had you kept taking mocks and let's say next day, you might not have been as open to
Yeah,
changing and being as flexible.
highly
But because
possible.
you
I
had
had
a
a
break,
2 months, yeah, 2 months break.
yeah, you had a break, you were ready to just give it your best. Like you were just ready कि ठीक
Yeah,
है, जो होगा वो होगा, कर लेते
yeah,
हैं वहां पे
yeah.
जाके, जो मजा लेते हैं, जो
True,
होगा वहां
true.
पे. But
Plus that
that
mentality of capitalizing on other people का panic
exactly,
and
yeah, yeah,
fear. So that mentality also helped कि ठीक है, everyone is going to lose
yeah,
focus.
yeah, yeah.
You stay focused and you will capitalize on it.
Right. And that's what I
Yeah,
feel like. This part of it happens every year. This capitalizing on everyone's panic order, whatever they're going through. Because irrespective of how the paper is, कुछ ना कुछ surprise तो आने ही वाला है. There'll be something in
yeah,
there
yeah.
that is surprising. This time there was a bigger
True, true.
surprise. So obviously more
Yeah.
people were affected by it. But again, it was the ones who were versatile enough to change
Hmm.
based on that made the difference. So again, I have to admire your flexibility in
Yeah.
this, man. It was crazy. Really good stuff. But again, third thing to admire is the way you selected the questions. I think if anything at all, that is the biggest takeaway. Like if you're able to select questions, if you're able to do the easy ones first, in fact,
Yeah.
if you're able to reach a point where you can select questions faster, your paper is solved. Like your paper is almost solved because you know what
Yeah.
to attempt, how much time you should give. Like that becomes a framework in
Mm-hmm.
your head. कि हाँ ये देखा तो इतना time खत्म करो आगे जाओ.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
is really nice.
I remember drawing a Venn diagram also, ऐसा टू का easy वाला and easy to read वाला। तो जो
हाँ
intersection था that was like कि
वो
ये
अलग था.
attempt
Right,
करना है,
right, right,
फिर
right.
easy वाला and difficult to read जो left वाले में आएगा उसको वैसा। So वो भी बनाया था मैंने ऐसे rough sheet में। It was full of
For
Venn
the
diagrams
plan.
before the exam. Yeah, for the plan.
Honestly, it would have been great had you smuggled that paper out. It would have been a great
Oh,
artifact to keep in your house. कि ऐसे
I
दिया था मैंने exam में.
swear.
So
हाँ,
I had
on the
written a
last day.
sheet before going, and I kept it in my bag before going for the papers. That's why I have it. But had you put this in
Okay,
your
yeah.
shoe or something, it really would have been something to hold up for the future generations. कि ऐसे bedsheet
ऐसे
में
लास्ट
exam
डे
दिया
पे
था.
क्या क्या करना
क्या
पड़े हमें।
again, इंजीनियर में बहुत सीखा यार. लास्ट मिनट और क्या
या
सीखते रहे. लास्ट इंजीनियर में इतना ही करते थे, लास्ट मिनट क्या करते थे.
या
But ठीक है, that is really great stuff, man. For you, the most important part, like the most unique thing here is managing with college. So was there any prep that you were doing, or it was only college at that time? And math, because CET requires math, reading, and logical. Like it needs some amount of aptitude and practice in that. कुछ किया था last 2 months or nothing at all? Like nothing at all.
Nothing at
Not a
all.
single
I
question.
swear to you. I swear
Yeah,
to you, not a single
yeah,
question. Only thing was ki, like when you are in MBA college, you have to give certain aptitude tests for
right.
processes and stuff.
Correct.
So that was the only thing. पर वो that wasn't related to CET. उसमें
Not
कुछ
at
भी
all.
आ रहा है
हाँ,
random. So
हाँ.
वैसा था. But last 2 months I did not touch, and I wasn't even sure कि देना या नहीं,
देना
because
कि
I
नहीं,
thought कि
right.
I'm getting settled in this MBA college. So
Correct,
do I
correct.
really need to do that मेहनत की जाओ? तो I decided पहले तो था कि नहीं देना है CET. But then on the last day, it somehow worked. Everything fell into place on that
Because
day.
you practiced, yeah. Because you practiced, that's why it fell into place.
Yeah,
If you not
yeah,
practice, there is no chance it would
yeah,
fall into place. There would
yeah.
be no chance you would explain so much in an interview also. There is no chance you could
I
explain.
swear.
Like everything would be
Yeah.
just कि हो गया. There would be no logical
हाँ
reasoning
हाँ
behind it. You are able to talk because you are prepared for it. CAT में भी अच्छा ही score आया था. Like that's why you are able
हाँ
to
हाँ.
stand and say all this. Otherwise वो तो होता ही नहीं. But great
Yeah.
stuff. But when CET was getting delayed and before your college started, that time though you were obviously
Yeah.
thinking, right, कि JP करना है, we have to keep this in
Yeah,
mind.
yeah, yeah, for sure. That was my top
What was the
priority
motivation?
after
Like how,
January.
right? What was the motivation that drove you through this entire phase? Because वो date ही नहीं आ रहा था. Very frustrating
Yeah,
for
yeah,
me.
yeah. Yeah, I remember this. So it was quite frustrating, and I think I started in January. At that time, I was working, and yeah, others might not know here. You do know that I had very long working hours.
Yeah.
So I used to work for 12 hours, 13 hours at times
Right.
throughout the day, and timing was quite odd because I used to work in US markets.
Correct.
So I used to wake up at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, work till 2 o'clock at night.
Guys,
So
it is 3 o'clock at night right now. It is 3 a.m. when we are recording this. So we have both become nocturnal. It is not only his work schedule. Work के बाद also he's become like this only. हम लोग 3 बजे रात को record कर रहे हैं. But yeah, sorry, go ahead.
तो I used to work from 2 o'clock to 2 o'clock. तो
Right.
ऐसा रहता था. तो at that time, even while I was giving CAT, I knew कि I would need to lead 2 separate lives. तो mentally एक barrier बनाया था कि after 2 o'clock it's time to like after 2 o'clock at night it's time to study.
Right.
तो रात को I used to start giving, like from 2 o'clock I used to sit till 4-5 a.m. in the morning giving mocks. तो CAT में ZAT में it used to become really difficult because mocks काफी boring रहते थे for me. कि I'm spending more than 2 minutes for every question, so it was quite slow.
Right.
तो there were times where I just switched off कि नहीं कल करूंगा ऐसे करके, तो मोटिवेशन नहीं रहता था. बट CET का you know कि mocks कितना इंटरेस्टिंग होता है. Like the exam is so interesting to give. It's very fun. So
it's fast, na? You can go
it's
very
really
quickly.
fast. हाँ. So the only motivation you need at that time is just to press enter and start the exam. हुआ था, I had bad days where I couldn't do that कि I had planned कि आज mock देना है. I sat और फिर I was just like this कि नहीं आज वर्क पे ये हो गया, बहुत स्ट्रेस आ गया, मैंने बहुत लॉस कर दिया, मॉनेटरी लॉस कर दिया. तो आई वाज लाइक कि नहीं आज नहीं हो पाएगा, आई ट्राई टुमारो वैसे करके. बट आई यूज्ड टू एंश्योर दैट आई एम गिविंग ईदर 2 or 3 मॉक्स पर वीक. पहले सोचा था 4-5 दूंगा, बट आई सेड कि जब तक स्केड्यूल नहीं आता आई वोंट गिव 4-5. आई जस्ट टेक इट स्लो एंड आई डोंट वांट टू पीक एट द रॉन्ग टाइम. तो आई स्टार्टेड स्लो, 1 mock per week, 2 mocks per week, 3 mocks per week, फिर 3 mocks per week ही रखा. एंड वो आई थिंक मोटिवेशन इससे ही आया था कि करना ही है टाइप्स. आई यूज्ड टू लाइक मोटिवेट, आई यूज्ड टू रीड बुक्स कि हाउ टू मोटिवेट. आई यूज्ड टू वॉच अ लॉट ऑफ मूवीज ऑन ऐसे इंस्पिरेशनल मूवीज की हाउ पीपल मोटिवेटेड, एंड आई यूज्ड टू टेक अ लॉट ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम दैट. And even watching your videos like TTPK, listening to toppers, right. How they motivated themselves. So yeah, it was quite inspiring for me कि ये करना है. And like सुबह से like it was a fixed week कि Monday to Sunday में it was fixed कि ये दिन पे mock देना है. तो you are mentally prepared for that. होते थे bad days where you had to change it, reschedule it, but रात को 2 बजे कोई डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेगा तुम्हें. So the only battle is within yourself. तो एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर से तो मॉक रीस्केड्यूल नहीं होने वाला है, इंटरनल से ही होता है वो. तो होता था, बट आई यूज्ड टू लाइक पहले से प्लान है तो आई यूज्ड टू स्टिक टू इट कि अभी तुम्हें 2 दिन का मेंटल प्रिपरेशन भी मिल रहा है कि ट्यूसडे को मॉक है, आज संडे, यू हैव टाइम, कल चिल करो, कल मंडे चिल करो, एनालाइज द मॉक्स. ऑन माय डेज ऑफ आई यूज्ड टू एनालाइज देम या डेटा एंट्री करता था एक्सेल में. बट उस दिन तो लाइक सुबह से लाइक इफ आई स्पोक टू एनीवन ऑन कॉल कि आज क्या प्लान है, मॉक देना है, दैट्स इट। जो
हाँ,
प्लान में
60
है
था
यू
वो।
जस्ट रिपीट, फिक्स्ड है तो देना
राइट।
ही है, वैसा हो जाता
करेक्ट
था।
करेक्ट।
तो आई यूज टू ड्रॉ अप अ शेड्यूल एवरी वीक, संडे को ही, कि ये वीक में मैं ये डे पे मॉक दूंगा, ये डे पे नेक्स्ट टाइम ये डे पे दूंगा, ऐसे करके आई जस्ट
गॉट
यूज
इट।
टू, या। तो वो फिक्स रहता था तो मोटिवेशन आ ही जाता था, कि तब ऐसा लगता था नो अदर ऑप्शन।
हाँ
तो
हाँ
इट
हाँ।
वाज काइंड ऑफ गुड, हाँ, कि
Makes
फोर्सिंग
sense.
योरसेल्फ टू डू इट।
That is
या
good to know.
को
That I think that plan makes it a lot easier. If you have a plan, there's a
या
direct
या
thing that if you're forced to do it, that is the
या
best thing. But again, the forcefulness has to come from within you, as you said. That it
एग्जैक्टली,
has
या
to be within you
या
who is forcing that and making sure it
हाँ
happens. Otherwise,
या
वो होने नहीं वाला है. Otherwise, ऊपर से बाहर
हाँ।
से it doesn't happen otherwise.
कोविड में भी दिया था मॉक,
हाँ,
कोविड में भी
exactly,
दिया था। आई
exactly.
सेड कि आई ट्राई बट इट डिड नॉट वर्क आउट वेल, तो वो काफी खराब था। देन आई टुक अ ब्रेक ऑफ अ कपल ऑफ
Right, right,
वीक्स। आई डिसाइडेड कि अभी लेट्स, पहले हेल्थ कम्स फर्स्ट,
right.
वील फोकस ऑन दैट। हाँ,
I think that time there were
बट या
rumors that CET was going to happen soon, which is why you had taken up. Something was there, no? That time
या
they
या
had
या
come out with
या
some news that they are, or the government was
या
saying something.
कुछ तो
That's why
कुछ तो
people were
चल ही
getting
रहा
so
था,
anxious.
या। सो आई वाज जस्ट वर्किंग, फिर जुलाई से, तो देन जुलाई 7th वाज द लास्ट मॉक आई गेव, देन आई स्टॉप्ड।
Right.
जुलाई के बाद आई डिड नॉट गिव एनी मॉक, आई जस्ट गिव सीईटी आफ्टर दैट।
Got it, got it. Nice, yeah. That is crazy. Good to know though. Very good. I'm glad that your stories for HR interviews are also already ready. That is
Yeah.
already going into track.
Yeah.
But just to wrap up the interview, do you have any tips for aspirants who'll be watching this right now? Because I'm sure lots of people are going to look up to you after this, after such an
Yeah.
in-depth explanation of things. So anything that you would want them
Yeah.
to keep in mind as they're preparing right now?
So I would just say that be flexible and find what works best for you. It's not copying Anay's strategy or my strategy. Use a benchmark. Obviously, I used Anay for as my benchmark. I used to take your scores, उस पे average लगा के देखो कि क्या अनय का क्या score आ रहा है. And I saw कि like in all the mocks I used to score higher than you. So I was like very happy कि यार अनय से ज्यादा आ रहा है. And I knew कि अब the final battle would be on the last day.
That's
कि
it.
जो
Right,
चल
right.
रहा है सही, अब लास्ट डे पे अनय ने, तो अनय excelled on the last day.
नहीं
You
नहीं
have to
प्लीज
give at
बीट
least
मी यार
80%.
नहीं नहीं
So
प्लीज
yeah,
यूज मी एज इंस्पिरेशन बीट मी मुझे तो अच्छा ही
yeah.
लगेगा अब आई डोंट केयर जिसको जिसको ज्यादा मार्क्स लाना है प्लीज लाओ
So totally. So I used you as a benchmark. Use
राइट
benchmark. Set goals, achievable goals. कि achieve होता है तो you feel good about yourself. This was,
राइट
ये तो मैंने mocks के लिए किया था. Even during the mock I used to go for quants first because I knew कि confidence चाहिए पहले. First 10 questions solve नहीं हुए ना, you are not going to score
करेक्ट
95
या
percentile above for
राइट
sure. So it's just finding कि कौन सा वाला रहेगा section जिसमें you get the first 10 questions you attempt correct. So that's about it. So find what works best for you. Be flexible in your approach, and be disciplined and motivated. At end of the day, hard work above all. Hard work किया right attitude के साथ,
एग्जैक्टली
it's, yeah, that's like the key to everything. उसके साथ you can achieve anything you want.
yeah and one more thing it's not the number of mocks it's the quality of the mocks and the analysis that you do I
True.
think that also
Yeah,
that is very
exactly.
evident in your
Yeah.
prep that I
Yeah.
think is very very important because even though you didn't take mocks, it was there was a like when you sit for the exam, all you see that your prep is standing behind you. Like your prep is what
Yeah.
carries you to the exam and makes sure that
True.
you sail
True.
through it. So that's what
Yeah,
helps a lot. But
and
yeah,
analysis helps. Like if you had given 50 marks and not taken a score of it, जैसे मैंने Excel में किया है, that's like not as good as taking 30 marks but उसका सबका in-depth analysis है. So I would say कि
uh-huh.
focus on the analysis part, find where you are lacking. वो सब करोगे, that like you know that better than I do,
No,
and I
but
think
please say
students know
it.
that.
Just keep repeating it.
Students
It
know
is
that
yeah
it's,
yeah.
yeah. It's just that finding that motivation to do it. CAT में मैंने नहीं किया था.
uh-huh.
कैट में आई
Right.
डिड नॉट डू ऑल ऑफ दिस स्टफ क्योंकि वहां पे ऐसा टाइम वाजंट दैट बिग ऑफ अ
Correct,
फैक्टर.
correct, correct.
तो
There it
कैट
is
में
more
उतना नहीं
topic.
किया था.
There it is more
या
topic
एग्जैक्टली,
related and selection of
एग्जैक्टली,
questions.
या. एंड वो तो लाइक अगर टाइम का एमएस का मॉक्स दे रहे हो, यू गेट द एनालिसिस ओवर देयर, यू
Right,
डिड
right,
नॉट
right.
नीड द स्पेशल एक्सेल फॉर इट.
Correct, correct.
तो
Makes
ये
sense.
एक्सेल के साथ आई यूज टू क्वांटिफाई एवरीथिंग. मैथ्स पसंद है, मैथ्स से अंडरस्टैंड करो, कलर से अंडरस्टैंड करो, रादर देन सेइंग कि एलआर स्ट्रॉन्ग सेक्शन है मेरा जस्ट बाय फीलिंग इट कि हमेशा रहा है. शो इट विथ योर
Show
मॉक्स.
it to the
वो
marks.
ग्रीन ग्रीन दिखाओ कि दिखे कि ये तुम्हारा
हाँ,
स्ट्रॉन्ग सेक्शन है.
right.
सो पूरा क्वांटिफाइड था मेरा तो. बट या, फाइंड लाइक व्हाट वर्क्स बेस्ट फॉर यू.
Yeah, I think
दैट्स द
it's a
वर्क.
very good list to keep in mind. But congratulations once again. What was your plan like for the next 2 years? What are you looking forward to most? अभी क्या लग रहा है?
अभी तो like I'll see what to do. I'm just looking forward to making friends, connections, and I want to pursue MBA in finance only. So
Right.
I'll go for CFA as well. I'll talk to you for it.
Yeah, anytime. That will
So
be
yeah,
amazing.
next 2 years, just looking forward to a great college life.
Yeah. In fact, this year I'm looking forward to people joining more than I was when I was joining myself, because this I feel like it's going to be more exciting, Abhi. But
Yeah.
welcome. It's amazing stuff. Congratulations once again.
Thank you so
Congratulations
much,
for
Anand.
getting into your dream college. I think JPMS is amazing. It's great. Congratulations again. But it's been an honor having you, Aman. I think it's been like after 4 years of engineering, all the table tennis matches in the boys' lounge जो भी होता था सब कुछ उसके बाद crazy. Like you're the
I
mechanic in batch,
remember,
yeah.
yeah, I remember this one thing. Like when you had given CET last year, and
हाँ,
I had also given CET at that
अच्छा,
time,
right,
but I had not prepared at all. कुछ भी नहीं
correct,
किया
of
था. I
course,
just showed up on the
हाँ,
exam day,
right,
just to see where I stand. So I gave it it was on March 14th, I guess.
yeah,
And I gave it on March 14th. And I did not know you were giving the exam or anything. And it was on the result day I saw your name and
right,
people sharing stories ki Anay has
हाँ,
topped and all.
right,
And I had gotten 97 percentile tabhi.
अच्छा,
So I
हाँ,
was like, so I saw, and I texted you
yes,
directly.
yes,
Even
yes,
I had given and stuff like that. And I told you I'll be preparing for CAT. And I
right.
remember saying this one line, ki pray that I was your 2 year senior in college. Pray that I
Yeah,
become your junior.
junior. I
I
remember
remember
this.
this
Yeah,
one line.
yeah,
So I was like,
too good,
so
man.
I was your 2 year senior in engineering, and now I'll be your junior over
Yeah,
here.
so the lots to learn from you also. It's been amazing, and I think this has been a really nice interview. Like I myself have learned so much. I will be going through your Excel after this to see what else I can
For
extract
sure.
from, because it's really interesting. But
Yeah.
great stuff, man. It's honestly, I have enjoyed this interview. Like it's been more like a fun thing only for me. It has been
Same here,
really,
same
really
here. It
nice.
was just a casual conversation
Yeah,
with you.
I'm sure it's going to be very useful to anyone watching it. But
Yeah,
thank you so much, Aman, for being here, and hope to see you soon in JBM.
always, always. Yeah,
Thank you so
sure.
much.
See you soon.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye.